go over the master. And I have the silliest masters always, because there's one little trick I like to do every single time, and that's putting a reverb on the master and use that to create more impact. So as you can see here, this is the master volume. I always automate that little beginning, and then sometimes in a breakdown I lower it, and then on the drop I put more volume. Not in this track, but I did use that reverb trick. So basically when the tune starts, I've set a reverb automated, and the mix of the reverb is set at 13%, and it goes all the way up to 29%, and then right before the bass comes in, I'm losing it. And on this second breakdown, I'm introducing that reverb again, and on this breakdown I'm introducing again, and then drop it on the beat again. I'll try to show you how it sounds. So there's a reverb playing right now.
Love me entirely, was that another me? I'm not the enemy. Your mask won't hide all your tears. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Now we're enemies, enemies, trapped outside here. Now we're enemies, enemies, trapped out. Now we're enemies, enemies. Now we're enemies.
So I DJ too, and when I DJ in breakdowns or in little beat breakdowns, I put up the reverb pretty high, and then towards the end when it's about to drop, I put it up and up and up and up, so it fills that. When you just have a beat or just like an intro to that drop, there's always less elements playing, so when you have that reverb on, it fills the room, and it kind of want to replicate that sound in the studio. So I just basically did the same what I do as a DJ. But then when the beat drops, you want to hear everything super, super clean, because the beat has to be really punchy, it has to be moving you. So when you leave on that reverb, everything just sounds scattered. So that's what I'm losing it. Right at the end, it's very, very clear. So reverb is on up until that first kick, and there's kind of a void here, and then I'm dropping it, so a little bit of an offset there, but it's all for the extra impact.
Now we're enemies, enemies, trapped outside but caught up in.
Just really loud so you can hear.
Now we're enemies, enemies.
So it almost sounds like things go wider, and then when the beat drops, everything explodes in itself. So yeah, that's basically the track. Like I said, straightforward, but let's dive into the club mix of this same track, and it'll be fun because it's a completely different track. Same vocal obviously, but definitely used in a different way, a bit more toned down, lots of FX going on, and this is a more the original version is a more Spotify friendly track, and the other one is made for clubs whenever we can again.